Hi everyone, welcome back to Dragon Image. Today I'm here to introduce you to the new LED ring lights from LightPro. These LED ring lights now come with the added feature of being able to be color controlled as well as being able to turn off individual quarters. So we've got one of the ring lights here. We're using the larger one of the two to currently light myself, and I can go back here and what I can do is I can switch off individual quarters. This gives me a lot of control over where the light's kind of falling. If I want more side light or top light, it kind of gives me that kind of control. The other thing is I've got that dimmer, which I normally have, and I have color control. These lights now run off the Sony NP batteries, which is a much handy kind of power solution. Previously we had a V-lock option as well as the option to run off mains. Now they come with the mains option and also the option of running off batteries, but they don't include the batteries themselves. This is the smaller one of the two. We've got a mount for the camera, so it's nicely positioned in the center with height adjustment, and we've got a 1/4 inch and a 3/8 thread on the base. With the larger of the two, which is currently just here, you have a much more secure option for mounting the camera, and we've got a 5D Mark IV currently mounted there. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch to this one so you can kind of see the results of what we're getting. So we are now recording on the 5D. You can see the traditional kind of catch light in the eye, which is the circle that is created from the circle light source. The other main feature of using a ring light is it's a very flat look. So there's very little shape in regards to shadows. But again, having the option to switch off quarters means that if I want, for instance, side lighting, I can switch off one side of that, so you can see this side of the face is lit, and as I come kind of closer a bit, you can kind of see that a bit more dramatically. If I want top light to give me more of a sinister look, I can switch off the bottom lights and add the top two, which is like that there, which gives me a lot more kind of downlight, so I end up with shadows underneath the eyes, shadows underneath the nose, depending on how far away I am from the subject. And if I want light coming from underneath and not off the top, I can switch off the the top two, sorry, and just switch on the bottom two, which gives me a little bit more kind of uplight, which kind of hides any kind of imperfections there. And there you have it. So for a traditional ring light, this gives me the option of doing more than just what a normal ring light does, by still giving me kind of options in regards to flexibility and color and power. So hope to see you again soon, and yeah, visit your local Dragon Image. Thanks.